Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi Ngin wan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Menteri Kesorka Jelau berkemi ikatan boarding wabu Tahir Mandel akan rutrik una opera arajar Pausau. Ulihat ho bagajing maramat ye Jingkieng Umïam kelas Skhem Bentang Kesorkar kadang wat jaka Shawei bencinai ke surong ko penyeso bakadang ba Shillong. Hagajing keram bikla patai kubor Mandel ulihat ho ru bakat kum gajing ai jumut jong IIT Guwahati la perking banyak kali he lingba ke Jingkieng Umïam bak ulihat ho ru bagan gajing perking kelapin sok sat bahai bebuan ginongnya kali he de Kesorkar ka hab banshim ye ke sinjam kanang banyadai ke Jingkieng hapung Umïam.
Actually, technically, it has improved a lot because we have done a thorough study on the safety of the bridge through IIT Guwahati, and they have given us some recommendations. And based on the recommendations, whatever needed to be done, we are doing that one. And that's why restriction has been put in place. And I'm very sorry to say that many commuters have been facing inconvenience as per to and fro traveling is there, but then safety of the dam comes first, and with that safety even maybe the safety of the people who are living downstream, the safety of the people who are traveling on the dam is also coming. That's why we have restricted, but government is taking all initiative to have an alternative route. Hopefully, very soon we will get that alternative route to Shillong. We cannot say as and where basis. We can say maybe 10, 15 years or 20 years the life span of the bridge has increased. That is fine. Why I am saying that it will all depend on the all natural condition, seismic condition. If there is big earthquake, we cannot say what will happen and how the bridge will get deteriorated. So far condition is better because seepage has been reduced, and we are having third-party audit also in the entire system. We are having our component agency to monitor the works also. Even MECL engineers are on job. So far so good. We are very much comfortable, and we are working to see that this time also our steam consumers are getting uninterrupted power supply, and we are working on it. But then you never know. We are keeping our finger crossed. No, we are buying power from the PPA that we have entered with NTPC, NSPC, then NEPCO, OTPC. Those power as per our PPA, we are buying from them.